What if the future of healthcare was not shipped in crates, but born in local labs? Hello everyone, welcome back to the 72 Dragons Health Channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio, bringing you the latest World Health Assembly 2025 updates. Today, we are discussing a crucial topic: strengthening the local production of medicine and health technologies to improve healthcare access. Why does this matter? How can it transform global healthcare? Let us dive into it. What if the secret to better healthcare was making medicine next door instead of miles away? Well, think about this. Millions of individuals worldwide struggle to access essential medications and medical tools due to high cost, supply chain disruptions, and dependency on imports. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed how fragile global supply chains can be. During the World Health Assembly 2025, leaders, health experts, and policymakers will focus on strategies to boost local production and reduce dependency on international suppliers. The goal? Health security starts with self-sufficiency, equipping every nation to make the medicines and resources they need. How do we make this happen? It is not just about building factories, it is about investing in research and development, expanding technological capabilities, creating policies that support sustainable production, fostering global partnerships for knowledge sharing. Imagine a world where every country produces its medicines, bringing us closer to universal health coverage. The discussions at the World Health Assembly 2025 will set the stage for groundbreaking policies and collaborations. Now, it is time to watch how these initiatives unfold and contribute to a healthier, more resilient world. Is local medicine production a healthcare revolution or a new challenge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned as we break down key takeaways from the World Health Assembly 2025 and what they mean for the future of healthcare. See you in the next one.